Welcome, here I've got ASUS ROG Phone 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's focus on this button at the center here. By just one tap we get access to the aspect ratio managing. We are in 4 and 3, from the right we have 1 and 1. So as you can see, now the background has changed to the square one and this is how it looks like. Another tap to the center and let's move to 16 and 9, and now we can see that we have the longer ratio. When we tap to the center once again, we can go to the left corner and pick the full aspect ratio. So this is how it works here, and when we tap here once again, we can of course pick whatever we need. Now let me go back to 4 and 3, the original one. And we have here also one more way to change aspect ratio. Let's move now to the left corner to this button to open the advanced camera settings. At the first place here we have camera resolution, and when we pick it, we get access to the same ratios. The one difference is that we have 4 and 3 ratio connected with 64 megapixels, so here we can pick the best possible quality of this camera. And when we go back, now we can see this kind of view without this button. So to go to the standard camera quality, we have to tap again to the left corner to the camera resolution and pick here whatever we need. And now in the preview we can see again this button. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.